She said she don't believe in regrets. Well, I regret to inform her that I do. Rainfall on a tin roof. Inside I sit and scribble a haiku. On the napkin it came inside of our takeaway Thai food. It goes, our time is always, our season is all year round. This is our secret, for as long as we can keep it. The deepest of secrets that nobody knows. The root of the root, the bud of the bud, and so it goes. And the lyrics of 1,000 songs couldn't paint a picture so beautiful. She had me from my first conversation with her. See, nobody was ever as clever, and I still can't figure how they put it together. Sitting in the room where we first got lost in one another, just tripping off the feeling of together we discovered. And I'm reminiscing on days past, escaping the pearl before taking that hole and making it too hard. But it was scary to be even this close to a perfect fit. Close your eyes, I promise this won't hurt a bit. This is the kind of love that inspires the stuff I write my poems to. The kind of love you have to leave just to come home to. You play with fire and you get burned for all the things that I have learned, and I would love to walk you home. If you're not the one, then you're the first for all the things that I have learned, and I would love to be the one to walk you home. Funny how the ones that you drag all the way through your hell, the same who can teach you how to touch heaven as well. And now it's out of order, but we ought to know. You try to fit a square through a circle and its flaws, and it's gone now. You wouldn't even know it was there, but you get lost trying to navigate the moments we've shared. Like when we held each other's hands and we said goodbye. Tears streaming out our eyes like somebody had died. Now it's the day after your birthday and it's pouring outside, and I'm catching arrow tips with my fingers down the phone line. See, she broke my heart on the river. The trump played last gets the job done quicker. So I'm singing to my palindromic angel. Held her too tightly, wings got broken and the love got strangled. But I don't wanna hold you back, girl, go fly. Conquer yourself all the corners of the sky. But I hope that you are close by on the day that I leave this world. With hands held, we can close our eyes and let the second hand go by. Cause I wouldn't wanna not say goodbye. Let you know that you touched my life, and whether I like it or not, I think a part of me will never give up this fight. Cause there's nothing like you and I. There's nothing like you and I. But it's getting late in the game now, outcomes uncertain. These are things that I needed to say before the curse. So I wrote you the song that you deserve, to let you know you will always be my first and most wonderful love. You play with fire and